guys, nasira ko yung brownie pero mukhang masarap pa rin siya. So, let's try itong brownie. Wait lang guys. Guys, yung packaging niya guys. Ayan o, nakikita yung brownies at saka ito rin. Ito yung itsura ng brownies. Mukhang talagang masarap. So, let's try. Okay, ang highest score 10. So, let's try. Wait lang. Pero siyang cake, masarap siya. 100 out of 100 out of 100. Sarap. Bye-bye.